Blizzard 2010 round 2. This is the second one that hit Washington DC, Maryland this week. Okay, now this is Susan trying to clear the path. Now it's the blizzard condition. The snow is coming down. See, that's the van. That was clear earlier. Now it's back again. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it's cold. There is no more place to put the snow. Oh my god. It's cold. See, the wind is blowing.